Hi, this is Mema Ohibia Akwaba. I had here latest and hot news in one and I'm a Bremo Anuti Omodia say over subscribe to the channel. You over have say over click the subscribe button. Now what belly notification when sa new video be upload no. When the first person I was at the can video. I feel we are now like video give us a thumbs up, nothing share my offer so now we will be here now and someone also a Ghana memo. I feel Yambura ye and someone abeto ye proso. It ye a year sound como your course, I report here about to get it is as it.
May catch NPP for one. You can't use your money, your filthy or your ill-gotten money to buy my conscience. Me baby, and mo frame me NPP need to frame me money din say omo be agenda bina omo nkofo bi omo tuetu omo ka meka omo tuetu omo ka na ebe yanka me fall to that agenda na say ne ebe ni say we bia no ye di issue ba ko be ba fa mahama o and meka to omo say enti saa de na ebe no how is that going to affect our campaign and emwa be na de be boa Bawumia campaign and omo say o de yenye ye betima boa ana mimi hu say ye running mate no or tutu bom ana me ko kan wasem Kofi TV me ko kan a omo bo say ade na makoka sa asem nti mimi nko Kofi TV enko pa chewo ana say enko retracting sem na me kan na me nsan ko pa Owusu Bempa chewo mo fu say jama me no megimi on me nobody can buy my conscience o nobody can me ya de bi a mimi fi makoma me ni sikachi because sebi o me di hin ache me twi me meko dada between me meko dada ba nyame nti ekomo so ne me da enti obi ntimi emfa ne sika fi ani ne kwasia sika na mo kon no sika na mo pepepe egu no emmeto me conscience ta NPP na mo yes ade me Bawumia Addo Dr. Bawumia na ahye me nunyam se efe krampo se Dr. Bawumia eyi nipa o pese o mo tro ne manifesto ema o na odi me di kra kan o eno kwa ye nunyam che keke mame enye sika na me di ati isa NPP fo bi na omo jimi na omo fo say omo betina to me kwasi madwen. They can never buy my conscience and I will not apologize today or tomorrow. Me pa Owusu Bempa che on ne empa na che o kina Owusu Bempa ni nsem na o kaka on mo fo say papa me Owusu Bempa onye tin god o and you are making this man as if he's a tin god bia say ono de Ghana no or decide who becomes the president. It is not true. Enti Owusu Bempa ya won dabe. Anya 17 August 1969 ya won. Na all my reason no. Enti Kwame Nkrumah so Owusu Bempa my when dey Kwame Nkrumah ma Ghana. When dey Buzia e ma Ghana. Because Owusu Bempa was not born when Kwame Nkrumah became our first president. And now we independent e ma Ghana. And also ni nana ana si e dey Kwame Nkrumah ma Ghana. Maybe some mo amusro now ye kan Owusu Bempa ma mo pese e be kan maybe some tama na oni wono Kwame Nkrumah be ji independent ma Ghana ni nana ana si e na yi Kwame Nkrumah ma Ghana masa Ghana ko ran ni dia ade na onfa na busuani e metina ko ran so now ma me mra Owusu Bempa issue me hu say me be kasa ni cha so Owusu o ko independent e won kransa no ono so aba be reply me na me tie cha so Owusu respond me srey ana me hu say Ghana hanom ye onipa bebre wo a ya mo opportunity omo a political landscape no ma omo nyansa ani omo adwen ofem ebi se cha so Owusu say why myopic thinker and sitting ka radio station bi ama ne kwan ma ne kasa wo radio station bi a cha so Owusu wo say unti asese medidi Owusu Bempa asem wo de mbekọ e ke be me de pa ase wo de mbekọ court ka mani beji se wo de mbekọ court na ke be me de pa unim Ghana no ma munyam adwen se mudi musika fi no ani musika tantan ni be wonu obi a o Ghana a o obi ansoro obi a o Ghana bibi sa masem o enti cha so Owusu se munim nyansa se a obi kasa amudumi be ya no a adwen na tama Owusu Bempa musofo bone no musofo na onye sofo a o so e sofo no odi emema kotobunku ani emema kentinka eko agrada afie no wontimi anka chen sa ade a o ye na enamra kwanzo enti okwa e beche no ade na sa nyansa na mamutim cha so Owusu mutimi ya sa ade we se obi kasafa musofo no dia mudi me kokko mudi ne be kokko ade na montimi ntu no se odi mema ko obi fie because ade Owusu Bempa no there is no difference between Owusu Bempa and obi a o ye arroba on the street okwa obi fie akwa akoboko no There is no difference. I mean, any the one to me me, court. You can never scare me with court. The fact that you go to court first doesn't mean you are a winner. You can never scare me with court. That's also, I am a political science student. I'm a political science. I'm a theology. Meaning what is right and what is wrong. Meaning, as some American, we need evidence. I mean, the evidence is in, I don't even need to. And just say, why any more Ghana? I said, on the 9th September 2021, Owusu Bempah and Edu Betinum, at the Omo, Sisa Omo, Echo, Patricia, Esiedua,
You're watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Who doesn't know that story? Now, so from Oba Ghana, we are saying, what is a sophobia is idea we are Owusu Bempah. Now, what's also make say be over responding and ube addresses our issue. One me addresses our issue. Two, Kwame Nkrumah tickets here. What the 65 years, but unyansa of them. I've never been say unyansa power. But Tuesday now, Wednesday now, how much has also be kasa our platform. And I'm going to say what Jimmy Pa Kwame Nkrumah tickets here. Say we Jimmy for papa. You don't deserve to sit on a platform like OKFM. What dream of them? What's now me discard to? Into me can creno. Can some of my chas also be kind, and in some of my Kwame Amu. No say, Mimi di Owusu Bempah tem. Zumu di matem. Muntiasi, Zumu di matem. And a mimi improper phrasing. And a me treat me secret, me the soap ebe than the paste. Once and some of can yan send him. Once, sometimes wrong. When Obi Hetel, not some now, Nipani can and a cry. But send me back up, but and confirm, when disability in film, the fact of the make one meniaji and meniaji, because you could not say Niamekan in Yanokre. The only thing you can and if any and Oba Owusu Bempah and Owusu Bempah man is car, okay, maybe Mosi Owusu Bempah man is car, Owusu Bempah on Kodi car Akufo Addo and I never 10 years against him. On Kodi car Bawumia and I never 10 years against him. And now we are ungrateful and now only on Heneba and Team Berma and Massa. Mon pass and public kamikaze bia mo be counter me kura ka say oh nya wo be kan ni na nya no kure Owusu Bempah nya sai en to na wudi to but sa ohene ba ntim berima en na wo ba Owusu Bempah a non starter. That is not a response to my me say Owusu Bempah or a working criminal because otimi di tuo esisa tax egu kem e ko ba be sie pie so mo nkobu no besi na one na mo he's a working criminal. Kamumra no mo metre asma wo kan no boa na wo Kwame Nkrumah tikesi a menim se waye adwuma che waye teacher ni wa kra ade asa na wo be radio waye minti okra minimo Fox FM minimo Hello FM asa na wo ba OKFM na wo so a 65-year-old man utimi jimi ti se obi a wo class 3 Kwame Nkrumah tikesi you are a disgrace to journalism. Kwame Nkrumah tikesi you are a disgrace to journalism. You are a myopic taker and a narrow-minded person. You don't deserve to sit on a platform like Despite Media. And Kwame Nkrumah here. Don't think, sir, you can use your journalism, your stupid journalism to intimidate me. Don't think so. Me, Oka 1, make a 10. Kwame Nkrumah here. Me mean, so me way. Me way, say me ko Owusu Bempah for this guy. And several make an idea in any other way. What Tigana and Amodi Asofo, a man for Owusu Bempah, I think God. Oh, maybe some question be. No, me post a chance also. Now also ni nyansa de ba answer. Me say Owusu Bempah say ono ma obi a president for Ghana. Aden na nebusu ni bia me president on ma nebusu ni bia me.
Hot news all
You
time.
couldn't answer. Ni America no me beat him hands down. Ma kire mu nyansa. Ghana obi you can fool some people at a particular time, but you can't fool all the people at the same time. Ma kire mu nyansa me bisa mo legitimate question. Owusu Bempah say Ghana obi be di president na say nam so a nipa no ontimi di president da. And maybe say oh okay Owusu Bempah before wo why dey Kwame Nkrumah ma Ghana. And maybe say nti Owusu Bempah a wo na say Ghana konwa ya odia a nyame de Ghana konwa chew a wo na ontimi train nipa obi di president. And then obusu ni bi am di president da. What's up? Simple question. You people cannot reason and answer. Just also means wrong one. You are nothing. So I will court check now. Unim. Moment me your uncle for you are moment to intimidate you more by me. And you make kwesi. And obi na sheneti. And Ghana hadie. Obi kana adwin a. Just say obi ani adwin. Sense mo adwin wo fam na mo ye attacking dogs to obi nti mo feel say saa na obi anso tie me obi anche me chi o me am adwin in America and I will not stop speaking my mind. So me this a man tis Owusu Bempa be kasa say Owusu Bempa kasa one me kasa na mo say me di Owusu Bempa tem then na ya tem di say Owusu Bempa be kasa obi nsa ho moja Owusu Bempa ti me sorry be kasa say a certain president Ghana for ina to abama no onu nyankopon be fa no ko soro ko heaven ko baby nyame de ne ko nipa bi anko da gise eno eno ko hu nyankopon ko yi kire no wo say former president Atanos Mahamadu Bawumia no obeka say mu ya to bam and nobody questions him masa says can na ne eni afra say de eni abi the fact that I'm physically blind that I don't say me politically blind too. I will speak my mind today. I will speak my mind, and I'm not going to apologize to anybody. I still stand by whatever I said. Owusu Bempa is a working criminal, and I'm more sorry when I'm more myopic thinkers. My dream of him, my dream nimia. Come on, ni unkoka. Obi kan kwasi asem say. Na mo bon say man. No o kan kwasi asem. And IGP, and how can we develop a state? Who the Muntio? Obi di tuo any mema ko ba be Afiyie na police watching no say the president should intercede. What kind of foolishness and stupidity is that? Say a president of the country only BBI say interceding for people's criminality. How can we build a country like that? Say president only BBI ni obeya ni say obey interceding for people's criminality. Say obi yen na ehu enye say bia the videos are there. You know, so big. Any member call by the Afiyie or more component. I'm a dear. I beg young poor, not police for say. You beg a Juma who say because when out the president behind, the president should intercede for your criminality. 2016, when you need to my Akufo Addo, 5,716,006.
Hot news all time.
26 and 2020, equal 6.7 million. And the fish our glorious word and power ministry. I suppose we pardon. That's a moment near home may catch them. Me nobody can buy my conscience. And people for me Jimmy at home. And yet Bawumia Campaign come on the same campaign. When you move from Umra, say, Memin Kopa Owusu Bempah. Mamu Badam Kra. Mamu Kasayina, Mamu Badam. Memin Kopa Owusu Bempah. Owusu Bempah, unsema wakao Kuruma Rebini. Owusu Bempah me ka. Mumisa mo say. Ade na mra Kennedy Agyapong wo se all expose asofo no won timi expose no Owusu Bempah te obi o no ne nete no mo expose asofo mo so mo ye korab ade na Owusu Bempah de ya expose ni bi masa me nzuro bia o Ghana ha o Ghana na nyo bia dia e na me ka sema mo mpe argument papa mia na mo nyi disability ni film na mo nyi sa o ene bantim berima ni film because o ene bantim berima he is not a saint as people claim. He is not a saint as people claim. Na me pese me ko won't leave his name out because more than Asemba make it canon. Someone make it cover up upon nobody will even but you people should not dare me. And I never team member and the shell and I young grateful and why more from question same free uncle. If he's a center, why is he not in talking terms with his 6 children? I said, you people should not dare me. You people should not dare me. You people should not dare me.
NDC4 and Akufo Addo free Togo. Any Burkina. Ababegu Ghana and Susu. Was that a fair comment?
According to Ononi
Intel Ben, then this government is useless. Then the NPP MPs in parliament, very useless. I was saying, do you know why? If Dr. Afriyie claims to have evidence, say Akufo Addo free Togo. Eddie Baba Sensuo, which is a national security matter and a threat to our very existence and survival because they are poisoning so now down to our numbi. Ye be by the case in so now, every mouth ye.
These are facts.
Listen, that is your fact.
Eric,
but the fact I also have
Eric,
2015 do so.
Eric, please.
Mommy flow.
No.
What
Eric, listen.
You
play by my rules, not your rules.
Matthias,
hold on.
I'm stating facts.
No,
I'm not playing by rules.
If you do not follow my rules, I'll walk you out.
No, who's in the follow?
So
but fact
calm down. Don't be shouting.
No problem.
Don't be shouting.
Don't be shouting.
No, don't be shouting.
But share the man shouting.
Eric, you are not helping me.
Matthias,
please.
Man committees, you're losing now. What I say? Hey, Dr. Tony Obin, the longest serving CEO of a cancer minerals commission.
Yeah.
What do you know when you go Kwaku Annan, what galamsey for no? Catch you say, Agyarko, na say this for power. Papa wa mo bia mu so bia he mo sam no mo nkosi nsuo no so mo nkosi nwura mo nkosi forest nim mo tun sai no. That is the solution they are profiling. Mem nya wetra unya time wan kasa asem. Dr. Tony Obin body din. Masabo Kwaku din. Ne kwa nya botre na wo pronsa no. Ne kwa no ye papa John Dramani Mahama obi a de Ghana nyina ahya wonsa. O ka kire say wo mu kwa galamsey fu amra che wo mu no. Mu ba mu beja wo mu no wonder. What I say na fu beja wo mu. Asembe na aba. Asema aba ene say anopai ye nyina na eti udwumadie na as part of the topics no. More raise the extension between galamsey and small scale mining. Now, in the context of that, and ye Onumunyam for Dr. Afriyie or ye MP. Ako kan sema ye nyina ye hu tape ni bi. Na dwanto a you see tape no. Ofano from north, east, and the west, in the south, baby abefani bia no. Papa no wan kasa yi. And more importantly, no, or yeah, medical doctor. Now me feel say, obey one of the people be very concerned about this whole galamsey and the pollution and the poisoning of our water bodies issues now aban. Now me oye interview now. A friend of mine, he's also a medical doctor. He sent me messages. Maybe after this show, I will send it to you. Very appalled. Odi papa no ho ya ye mesuma di no ho ya na me gina kasa fidie so aka kire Dr. Afriyie se wonu ni ho a sabe yese kwase anko na ensesa na adwen wonu ni ho obetimi arenda an unqualified apology to the people of Ghana say bia politics there sometimes you ko gina platform so a obetimi akasa ama na tra so because of the euphoria there na ye ma fans nya there because clearly what he said in this tape or video was purely political and mischievous and was directed say Ogu NDC party anymore. Nothing more than that. Eddie Kang Utie ni sema okan. Osi oh yeah my name free then within the last 2 months yeah. Ensu say about topic komako for media houses and they call all mining sites. Ebe creating impression bit say as they say galamsey na say o my Ghana nsu nti yembane. He said that in the video. May I have the video? Near audio. The facts do not support that. Nana Jantwa. Yensu started say essay ukroma. Yensu started say essay ukroma. Nana Jantwa wa unye. Una okita ensu ahodwa. That time, this was October 2022. This picture was posted on Israel FM. October 2022. So for Dr. Afriyie to mount any platform and say no started saying within the last 2 months no, it's who whether man I have to be careful. On can correct. That was a blatant lie, palpable falsehood. Who we have a say you take you out of context. This is a pure lie. This is a pure lie. Very nice gentleman. He commands a lot of respect. He should apologize. I say one justify or apologize. It's simple. Oh, said the I was carried away because it was a political platform. Simple, finito. Why should you rationalize this? Messi, it has to start here Juma Waha on the pollution of our water bodies because of galamsey. And go to Israel Muamu page. October 2022, Jeff Ekita so we try pictures nibi. Odisika kita bi try pictures nibi. Almost in Israel phone nyina amutwadi. Enti e da no obedire ni mabeka say within the last 2 months and so started say ukruma. And for him to have even indicted your own platform. Say NDC for Akufo media house. What is a Power FM echo rounds? And I say what you say Class TV and I see TV call rounds and I what you say Class FM and I say Class FM and to chance will be the bar. And this is serious to say that's so. What you say? Multimedia and Juma Bonnie Juma Pa and a multimedia to protect our water bodies and fight against illegal mining. And this is multimedia all of a sudden. Ababe NDC4 ally. And yadi multimedia namu chucha galamsey pits. Chucha water bodies are polluted. Saying he should render an unqualified apology to multimedia. Because multimedia near NDC. Multimedia, as far as I am concerned, is not a pro NDC media house. Ebiano Radimiagra may use that opportunity to distance or do something about it. Because for Dr. Afriyie to have said that about multimedia, he is very bad and he must be condemned. Ebiam so kita adwen papa no de kasa asem no a said your person no pay wo kire wa ha. Anom kasa ye jimi on. Kasa school no mkoe yanko bi on. O tia say demonstrators ne pa omumra kumasi na nko mu behu. Wanka adwen papa na no de kasa asem no a ka obeti aka say omo won kan omo ye demonstration omo pa omumra kumasi Asante region na nko mu behu. It was alleged sometimes on the board Duma Kwasu no NPP for regional secretary on the board assume sometime.
And the member Kwama
me say it was alleged. Me can say a statement of fact here.
Got nothing to do with it.
Meba.
So stick to what you want.
Gyamfi me dey bam.
No, stick to what.
No problem.
Stick to what.
Meba. It is asem no kan ye no. What was he? No o impunity. No o suggested. Omubade no behu. Demonstration a guaranteed right in the constitution. It is no be so be demonstration against illegal mining in Kumasi. Dear na Dr. Afriyie obetimi aye. Dear pa no obetimi aye. Dear no obetimi aye. Oya ho be ma bebre kuja wo. Dear no obetimi aye. Ye ka member wo Kumasi Dr. Afriyie ka ho. Dear no obetimi aye. There be yes say ne NDC ana say kuo bia decide so ye demonstration wo Kumasi. Dear na Dr. Afriyie obetimi aye. And oya MP honorable man. Is that a responsible way of talking? You are only inciting the youth. Because now no man who social media, I don't know. Say no crowd there who invest more. Yes, it continue. Everyone that near the other person demonstration on this same subject matter. No, sir boys in TC Chromo, no Dr. Afriyie. Obey that. Why obey first obey disappear crowd? Oh, to us, I must see a whole medical doctor here can't say more. Oh, Sababe said Mabruna before because we were from my ma. Wafu amwaye ma una wo head Dr. Bawumia Campaign team ya ma post akese di ja wafu aye ma o kasa anyhow ya nyimi yo ya ni abro enya Dr. Afriyie na be kire dey say on a whole medical doctor exams dodo a watro wo wiase ansa na wo benya ne certificate obeso kire me say illegal mining any small scale mining onim difference ene na ya sempa ene ya sempa ya ti asem ho papa exams dodo a Dr. Afriyie throw from P1 abesi P6 JSS1 sese class 7 or call me dey na mfa almost be 7 years asa no be medical school ni na Dr. Afriyie be so kire ye ne say illegal mining na your friend galamsey no Dr. Afriyie si wonim say eno different from small scale mining. Eti opeso kire say ena make kabom. But in all of this ade Kwaku Annan ka me uye ni interview na me person ka ma na twesan say o say NDC4 ena akofo amanfo free Togo eni Burkina ababegu Ghana nsuoso. Was that a fair comment?
According to Ononi
Inter, then this government is useless. Then the NPP MPs in parliament very useless. I was saying do you know why? If Dr. Afriyie claims to have evidence, say Yakofo amanfo free Togo. Eddie Baba which is a national security matter and a threat to our very existence and survival because they are poisoning so now down to our numbi. Ye be by the case in so now every mouthie. Not a NA sounds so say not Dr. Mua also were evidence say NDC4 and Akufo Addo for free Togo ene Burkina abegu nsuo ne so say no onfa nkoma Akufo Addo onfa evidence ne ma Akufo Addo onfa nkoma sojafo onfa nkoma IGP onfa nkoma obi ase de be ye betimi asia no kwan bo nsuo no ba but you mount a political platform and you make some of these sweeping pedestrian comments and now person oban the level of Nicholas Omania Tampon oban is say ye be treat ni sa because now no me be read the report we trail and oko onwa kasa Professor Prempeh Boateng report here tie page 12 paragraph 4 or say throughout our struggle with illegalities in the small scale mining sector, what baffled me was the total disregard of the president's commitment to protect the environment. I can state without any equivocation that many party officials from national to the unit committee level had their friends, their PAs, their agents, their relatives, financiers or relatives engaged in illegal mining. Most of them, Dr. Afriyie, most of them were Chinese. And most of them, most of them engaged Chinese working for them. I am not referring to party people who had their legitimate concession and were mining sustainably as they were instructed to do. These are appointees in the Jubilee House that are doing or supporting illegal mining or interfering with the fight against the menace. Examples are Lord Kome, Charles Teko, and Frank Asiedu Bekui, aka Protozwa. It is a Dr. Afriyie Unimamema information. Your own former appointee, Dr. Prempeh Boateng, who was the chairman of the interministerial committee in the fight against galamsey, or say President Akufo Addo nakache presidency ho some crofo no amuche chair mining former omo no mo ye illegal mining no om na Akufo China for ti the influence of China for abegu o my way mu a yentimi nso ano no Professor Prempeh Boateng say ye mo am crofo because galamsey no from national executive committee to the unit committee level either say ono akofo na danfo amane ye ma no anaso Akufo China ni amane ye ma no and danfo bi na ye ma no and this is a report coming from the NPP. Tiana, it has to stay omo. Na John Boadu driver ya chine o site. Report we a botas Owusu din. They na so yes of no. E boni din so no so ma chine o site. In fact, it has to sound so crazy no. In one of the videos ye boni din say galamsey site na ene dia. Why na say oye NDC ni na Jantoa Sunday school wako wo wiase nyina besi ne. Hwenyamianim ka kire say NDC ni be na wo konongo a also betimi aye galamsey awo ba bia na yetu okwan no ho in the full glare of the public and I ante no enai anopai obi apa komunkom so adu bia left right center ye de galamsey akwan ni ho left right center ye de galamsey from asun kwanta omo se de na a whole medical doctor one documented evidence say foreigners abegum just because of pettiness and politics. You mount a political platform na Nicholas Omania Champon sema oka already at the better no because obi awaye fraud akọ dem there. Nobody takes him serious. He was convicted for visa fraud. He served jail term. Now Akufo ni power no lead demo campaign. No see NDC for just a manufacture propaganda. NDC for Akufo foreigners. Na whole medical doctor.
All right.
What put two reputation in Adia Ton Chay? Repeat Adia Nicholas Momonia Tampon Eka. Say and one say Nana whether Wadaroma.
Hey, Debbie.
Hey, oh, Nana, 30 seconds. Nane, Nane, wait, the Miss Adam says, Mini Pano, Nana, I am Menyamsa. Namaba Beba Power Enche. Nane, what the one a settlement report we. So what kind of? Unkanda.
Yeah.
What's that to so no John Ofori Atta central region and eastern region. Central region. Ono na na security coordinator. Ono na na ye ni lanes ona. Ye galamsey fo a on betua 50 to 55,000 man. Na omo release excavators no. What you say? A whole medical doctor heart surgeon otimi tu wakuma no de ama papa we otimi tu papa we de no de ama me meti otimi tu me de no de ama oba yi oba no tu me de no de ama oba na motimi adane papa we galamsey ya amene 500 excavators ya okroma na no anim hoya na anim hoya na a low bed ni bi twam na excavators so obi say Professor Prempeh what in there wait
thank you
beautiful winning and somewhere about beto yepono so because you so and our hello so we are subscribe ya Bawumia say we subscribe to the channel sanse hadie latest and hot news kwa and I'm the Bremo Afriyie na what like video give us a thumbs up nothing share ma offer so na when you be here na wo and somewhere ekoso e wo Ghana ni man also betimi atre what near fire and somewhere you know e wo comment box mobeti interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.